Creating engaging affiliate campaigns with PartnerStack can seem intimidating at first, but once you understand the core features, you'll see how simple and effective it really is. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, brand, or business, PartnerStack can help you build a successful affiliate program and manage relationships with your partners seamlessly. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to create affiliate campaigns that get results. You can actually start using PartnerStack for free, and if you click the link in the description below, you'll get access to exclusive bonuses, so make sure to take advantage of that. Let's get into it. First, you'll need to sign up for PartnerStack, and once you're in, the platform will prompt you to create a new campaign. The first thing you'll want to do is define your campaign type. PartnerStack offers a variety of campaign options like pay-per-sale, pay-per-lead, and pay-per-click. The great thing about this is it allows you to tailor your campaign based on your business model or goals. After you've chosen the campaign type, you'll need to set the details. Here's where you want to focus on defining the offer, including your payout rates. You can choose whether you'll pay affiliates on a one-time basis or recurring payments, depending on your product or service. Make sure your offer is compelling enough to attract high-quality affiliates, and don't be afraid to offer a competitive commission rate. The key here is creating an incentive for affiliates to promote your product. Next, you can move on to setting up your affiliate registration page. PartnerStack makes it easy to customize this page to reflect your brand. You want this page to be clear, professional, and appealing, so potential affiliates can easily understand what they're signing up for. Include all the relevant information, such as commission structure, promotional materials, and the type of customers you're targeting. The more transparent and detailed you are, the more likely affiliates will want to join your campaign. Once you've got your affiliate registration page set up, it's time to recruit affiliates. You can either invite affiliates directly by sending them a link, or you can integrate PartnerStack with other platforms like Slack or email to spread the word. I recommend reaching out to affiliates who are already aligned with your industry or niche because they will have a more engaged audience. After affiliates start signing up, it's time to provide them with the resources they need to succeed. PartnerStack allows you to upload banners, links, and other promotional content that affiliates can use to market your offer. The more assets you provide, the easier it is for affiliates to promote your brand. Keep in mind, the best campaigns include creative materials, product demos, and email copy. This ensures affiliates have everything they need to convert leads and make sales. One of the most powerful features of PartnerStack is the ability to track your affiliate campaign's performance. The platform provides detailed analytics and real-time reporting, so you can see how your affiliates are performing and adjust your campaign accordingly. You can track clicks, conversions, and commission payouts, which helps you identify top-performing affiliates and areas where your campaign might need tweaking. As your campaign grows, remember that maintaining strong relationships with your affiliates is key. PartnerStack makes it easy to communicate with your affiliates through in-app messaging and notifications. Be proactive in engaging with your affiliates, send them updates, tips, and reminders to keep them motivated. An engaged affiliate is a productive affiliate. Now, before I wrap up, remember that PartnerStack offers an exclusive extended free trial when you use the link in the description below. This is a great opportunity to test the platform and see if it's the right fit for your business without committing upfront. In conclusion, creating engaging affiliate campaigns with PartnerStack is all about clarity, the right incentives, providing the necessary tools, and ongoing communication. By following these steps, you can set yourself up for success. Start leveraging PartnerStack's powerful features today to build an affiliate program that drives results. Don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive bonus and extended free trial.